Hope now I'm clearly
I'm
audible.
visual, ma'am.
Yeah. So very good evening, Mr. Anurag, right?
Uh, Good evening, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving me this chance to connect with you.
All right. How was your day so far, Mr. Anurag?
What?
How is your day so far?
Yeah, they was very fantastic. But there is a lot of noise. Sound is ringing other village. So, so it is very disturbance.
Okay, okay, no problem. All
Yeah,
right.
and
So,
light has also gone, and I have on the fresh other phone.
all
I'm
right.
I'm connecting to you. Yeah,
Okay, okay. So much struggle, right? I mean, you're
yeah.
just putting efforts in order to connect. That's really wonderful. Okay. So, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, thank you. Thank you for giving me this chance to introduce myself. So my name is Anurag Kumar from Uttar Pradesh, Lakhimpur Kheri, and I am graduate from Kanpur University. In my family, apart from my parents, and I have one younger sister. She is pursuing BA first year, and I am also a student. I'm learning. Speak. I am speaking English as well as I want to fluent English, and I am also preparing for government exams like RRB and TPC. So that's all about me.
Okay, okay, great. And you're working also, right? What work you do at present?
Yeah, my work is I go to daily medical shop morning time 9 o'clock. Then I come back from that's all my whole day I busy.
Okay, okay, very busy, and you are also preparing for examination, learning English language.
Yeah,
So much stuff you're doing, I can say. Okay. So please tell
mm.
me, Mr. Anurag, why you want to improve your communication skills, especially English language. Why you want to learn English?
Ma'am, because whenever we have to go another place, another like state, so you can't speak their native language. Like suppose that you have to go Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, so you can't speak their language like Kannada, Tamil, and they speak only their language like Kannada and Tamil, and they speak and understand fluently English. So if you cannot speak English, so you cannot listen, you cannot understand anything. So I think and English is also multinational language. So I think we must learn this language, and I am very excited for learning this language. So I
Wow.
want to become fluent in English, and I want to overcome my hesitation because whenever I speak with another person, a stranger person, then I forget my thoughts. What can I say again? As well, I don't have any idea. So tell me any idea.
On the behalf of my experience, I can just guide you a little better. You can say that you listen every day, right?
Yeah,
You read. What about reading? Do you
yeah,
read?
yeah.
Okay.
I have one. Ma'am, I have one novel. So I read it very much. That novel is name. Uh, the three U-turn of my life. So novel is very
Oh,
helpful. Our communication skill, and I have already purchased on Jostock app subscription, and whenever I get time, so I try to my best.
that's really wonderful, Mr. Anurag, because I mean, you are facing lot of problem in your life, especially we are working, you're preparing for
Yeah,
examination, and still you want to improve your communication skills, and you're putting efforts. So really, I mean, I really appreciate your efforts, and definitely you will become eminent speaker one day because you're very hardworking, I must say.
it's my pleasure. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Okay. And please tell me something about your family.
Yeah, my father is also farmer and my mother is housemaker, and that's all. My father is profession farming.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, I mean, he has, of course, lot of work, right?
Yeah, there is a lot of work, and it is village area, so we have not any resource to learning communication skill. Like there are nearest no coaching center, only online like that. App is very helpful for us.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, but at present time, we cannot make excuses. It doesn't matter where you are. There's no geographical, foundation to learn something because we have internet connection. I mean, we have the complete things on our fingertips, right? We can just learn anything, or we can master anything at home.
Yes.
Yeah. Hope I'm loud and clear. Can you hear me?
So, ma'am, I yeah, I can hear you. So I have one question for you, ma'am. Can you give me your intro, please?
Oh, okay. For sure, for sure. So, as you can see over the screen, I'm Priyanka Kushwa, and I'm connecting to you from Madhya Pradesh, and I'm currently living in my hometown. When it comes to my education, I'm in my master's second year of MBA with a specialization of marketing and finance. And apart from this, I'm running my YouTube channel, as you already know about that, where I upload conversation videos with co-learners, good speakers. And in my free time, I like to read books. And dancing is also one of my hobbies. So that's all about me.
Very, very nice.
Yeah. If
You are from Madhya Pradesh. I think Madhya Pradesh is also very famous state, and it's very famous for tiger reserve. There are many type of tiger reserve: Kanha, Kisli, Bandhav, Panna, Pence. Yeah, I have read
have
about
you
that.
ever been to Madhya Pradesh? I mean, any city in
No,
MP?
no, no.
Okay, okay.
No, I'm not. I'm so sorry, Avil. But I have read about that.
Okay, okay. That's great. And you said that one of your sisters, she's studying law, right?
No, no. She is pursuing BA first year.
BA first year. Okay, okay, okay. All right.
Yeah.
So, does she speak in English?
No, she can't speak because here is not environment, and ma'am, we are belong to, you can say, middle class family.
Yeah, yeah,
So
I
there
can.
are no resources. Yeah.
But as Mr. Anurag, you're learning this language, right? So, why don't you talk with your sister in English? Just create the environment for her. Why not?
If I speak with her, she is laughing on me.
Oh, she will. But she also understand the importance because she is studying in college, right? BA first year.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So why not? I mean, now it's your time to create the environment because you didn't get the environment earlier, but now you can create the environment. If you will not create the environment, I
Yes,
mean, there is no support, there is no environment. How will you speak, right? So just
sir.
try to create the environment. Talk with your friends. As you said that you have purchased the subscription of Josh Talk. So just, you
Mm.
use that very dedicatedly. Don't miss a single day Without practice,
Mm,
it's not possible to ace the fluency. So you have to just keep pushing yourself in order to practice every day.
yeah.
Yeah.
I will give my 100. Yeah, I will give my 100% efforts for learning this language because before I could not any speak. I was not able anything in English. Whenever I have joined this application and watching videos on YouTube, so then I have a lot improvement. My communication skill, and I think uh, I think I can do my best.
Yeah, that's very good. Because I mean, speaking on camera and on on platform like this, it's really wonderful because now you have overcome this much like problems of yours. So just be proud of yourself. Definitely, you will improve very quickly. Just don't stop practice.
Yeah. Whenever I think whenever I speak anything in English, so people are laughing at me.
Don't
You are
worry.
speaking wrong English. You are speaking right English. So I have not idea about that.
Don't worry about the people because people will say something or the other. So
Yeah.
don't hang around, with the negative people because they will hamper your progress. But sometimes it's better to ignore, right? Ignore people because it's your journey, right? If you will become good speaker, they will appreciate you. So just forget about those people who is pulling your leg and who is trying to demotivate you. Just focus on the people who are like your supporter, maybe your family member, your sister, who is pushing you ki yeah, you can do it, you will speak English. Just focus on those people.
My one friend is also support me, and he is also working in Genpact company. It is situated in Noida, sector 62. So he's also support me, and his communication skill is very very good. And I'm new here, so I want to fluent and I want to overcome my hesitation whenever I speak. Then I forget my thoughts, my mind gone as blank. What can I say? So
Yeah, it
it's a big
happens.
problem.
It happens, and don't worry. Just give it at least 1 year, 12 months. Just give it
Yeah.
a 1 year to yourself, especially to this language. And just don't worry about people. Don't worry about your mistakes. Don't worry about at all, those 100 things. Just focus that, okay, in this 1 year, I want to speak English, very good English. And I don't care what people think about me. I don't want to, hold anything in my mind, relate negative things. I just want to be positive. And after a year, let me see my progress. I will change myself completely. Just decide this and just track your progress every day. Don't skip a day. Definitely, you will improve. No doubt about it.
Yeah. I think we will work hard so we can easily improvement in ourselves.
Yeah.
So it is opinion.
Yeah, just give it at least 1 year because 1 year is then like 3 months, 4, 6 months. These are bare minimum, you can say, but give at least 1 year, 365 days, and just see yourself. And don't skip
Mm,
a single day. And sometime if it's because sometimes we have urgency, so no problem. But don't intentionally skip a single day. Try to practice every day, listen every day, read every day, try to write
mm,
something and speak as much as you can. You will see
mm.
drastic improvement in your speaking skills. Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions left for me?
I have not any question, ma'am, because if you want to share your speaking journey, how can you speak? How can you speak very good fluency? So tell me.
Well, my journey, I think I have shared in like most of my videos. I just want to tell you in brief that my journey started all of like sudden, like very spontaneous, and but it was in my mind that I wanted to learn this language, and I was like I started from the very scratch. मुझे भी कुछ नहीं आता था, especially like how to talk, how to speak, कुछ नहीं आता था बिल्कुल भी. So I started practicing with my friends. I create the environment. I join groups to find buddies, and that's how I started practicing. And then I started my YouTube channel. Now I have lots of
Mm,
people to talk. Co-learners, good speakers.
mm,
So it's
mm,
it's it's
yeah.
something you have to push. When you push yourself, automatically the complete universe will try to help you to achieve that goal.
Mm.
Yeah. So
I
that
can understand everything, but sometime while speaking, so I humble and I forget
humble.
everything. So it's a big mistake. It's a big problem.
Well, it happens because of the lack of practice. You have to devote
Yeah,
yourself, right? Don't skip a
yeah.
single day.
But yeah, I have not get much time for practicing. Uh, whole day I busy and I have get time. Then I speak and I also we have to read my syllabus. It is
I can
yeah.
understand. But at least 30 minutes manage to speak with someone. 30 minutes, make
Mm,
sure to listen something. On the way, let's say you're traveling, maybe going home, like stop, like shop to home. On the way, try to listen. Try to speak on call with someone. Just do practice, okay?
mm,
And definitely you will improve.
yeah. When we will speak anything like so, what's come automatically our
Automatically.
tongue our
Yeah,
yeah.
automatically. Don't worry about it. Just practice is the only thing. I mean, there's no any other alternate for this. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
So
I'm
it's
very
time to wind up the
excited
session.
for yeah, I'm very excited for this session because that day I've sent you a message and that day I have lost my 90% data and so
No problem.
I'm very sorry for that.
Oh God, no problem. Not at all, Mr. Anurag. That's completely all right. I can understand because earlier I used to face the same problem, but now I don't because, like as time changes, so we also change our medium and resources. But earlier I used to face this data problem a lot. So I can understand. Don't worry about it. And wish you all the very best for your journey. Just give it at least 1 year, and I want to see, the progress of yours, and just we will connect, after some time to check your like progress, how much you have improved. All right.
All right, thank
Okay.
you.
So don't skip a single day. At last, I mean, I just want to say, I want to end this session with a brief note that don't skip a single day. Practice every day.
Yeah, thank
Okay.
you. Thank
Yeah.
you
Bye
for giving
bye.
me suggestion.
Yeah.
Bye bye.